First of all, if you want to schedule your messages on WhatsApp, then keep watching this video till the end. First of all, you should know one thing. There are two kinds of WhatsApp on Play Store or App Store. See here, this is a normal WhatsApp. And the second one is WhatsApp Business. Business WhatsApp. And you can schedule your messages on WhatsApp Business only. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. And now in the search bar, search here, WhatsApp Business. So this is the WhatsApp Business. I've already installed it on my phone. So now let's open this. So after opening the Business WhatsApp, first you will get this interface. And now look at the top right corner. Here is a three-dot icon. So just click there. Now click on the second option. On Business Tools. Now scroll down a little bit. First of all, there is a greeting message option. And number 2 is away message. You can schedule your WhatsApp messages with these two options. First of all, if you click on greeting message, you'll see this interface. You can write your own message that you want to send to your senders. Just click on this pen icon and now write here whatever you want to write. Note that this greeting message is sent to only those persons who message you on WhatsApp for the first time. And one more thing is, this greeting message always send only then if you have your internet connection on your phone. Now let's go back. Now the second option is away message. Just click there. First of all, you have to turn it on as I have done here on my phone. Now click here to schedule your message. Select the first option, always send. And now you can customize your recipients too. Just click here and click on everyone. That's it. Now after turning on this option, if somebody messages you on WhatsApp when you are not using WhatsApp, then this scheduled message will be automatically sent to them. In other words, it's called automatic reply on WhatsApp too. So this is how you can send automatic reply or schedule your messages on WhatsApp. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more of this kind of tips and tricks videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.